Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling only the essentials and taking the first cuts. Gather polymer clay, scissors, 1/4 dowel, glue, and sandpaper. Set wax paper on your table. Once you have a quick sketch scaled to your LPS, roll clay to uniform thickness and cut shapes using a craft knife. Press details gently with toothpicks. Bake per clay instructions to fix form. While baking, organize painted pieces and plan color layers so you can move straight into finishing without delay. Once pieces are baked and cooled, you focus on assembly and detailing. Start by dry fitting parts to your LPS. Make tiny adjustments with sandpaper so joints align. Then glue components using small amounts. Hold clamps or rubber bands for 10 to 15 minutes until tacky. After curing, apply a base coat, follow with 2 thin color layers, and sand lightly between coats to remove texture. Make sure to finish with a matte seal to protect paint and reduce shine, preserving the scale look. You complete the project by installing small hardware and testing final fit on your LPS. Attach decals or flocking carefully, using minimal glue to avoid seepage. Press pieces into place and let cure fully. Once assembled, try the item on several figures to ensure balance and remove any interfering flash with a hobby knife. If something fails, paint chips or loose joins, resand the area, apply a primer, then 2 thin touch-up coats and reseal. This shortcut restores finish without rebuilding the piece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.